you greetings from Thomas Built Buses from North Carolina. And I want to say, it's for those of you who are educators in the audience, I'm probably one of the examples of seeing the educational process in Michigan go full circle. I too was educated in Michigan, graduated from Michigan Tech, and now lead the engineering organization at Thomas Built Buses, who will be delivering 6 school buses throughout the U.S., throughout Michigan rather, to Ann Arbor and Roseville school districts. So I'm excited about that, as well as our ability to partner with DTE Energy, with Proterra, as we deliver these buses in a way that we will impact students similar to myself, who are able to see their education and work in action from the start of their day to the end of their day. At Thomas Built Buses, we believe, and we are committed, that electric vehicles, school buses in particular, will be the single most valuable mode of transportation for pupils as we go forward. And we will continue our 103-year legacy of providing reliable, durable, sustainable, and efficient school buses throughout this process. We know that the transition of adding electric school buses into a fleet is not a small endeavor. And because of that, in collaboration with DTE Energy, with Proterra, and with our collaborating school districts, we'll be providing an entire ecosystem to help them ramp up into this new technology. So what does that mean? That means addressing the infrastructure needs, both at their facility and around the surrounding environment. That means helping with training. That means helping with understanding the entire ramp-up process into full implementation. And we are prepared with the resources, with the technology, with the innovation, both at Thomas Built Buses, as well as with our Daimler Trucks North America family and network, to help our school districts to do just that and to do it successfully. We also recognize that the future, as it changes, will need to have new leaders involved, and we are willing and able to support our leadership at Ann Arbor and Roseville in doing all they need to do to ramp up their entire ecosystem on site as well. We know that the future is changing, and we believe that this deployment here in Michigan, in association with the Michigan Association of Pupil Transportation, is just the beginning. It's the beginning of a future that is dedicated to being environmentally responsible, to being sustainable, and we will see this repeated throughout the country, and we're proud to be partnering with all of you as one of the first. Thank you.